Hello guys, welcome to SA World. Today I will share you 8 port KVM switch. You can see brand new 8 port KVM switch, and this brand name is D-Link and model is KVM 440. 8 port USB KVM switch and front side 8 port manual button. You can switch with this, and front side 2 USB and 1 controller port, and back side is 8 ports VJ and one LCD in and USB keyboard mouse in port. Further cables you can connect with this VJ side and USB side, connect to your PC or laptop. And second, this is controller. You can connect with this and manually switch PC1, PC2, PC3. Controller port with cable and bracket for installation rack, side bracket. Further, you can easily switch with this remote your PC system, easily switch with this remote. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe